Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but I get away. Feels like it's been a freaking day.
To another vlog. It is Saturday. It's like 11. I am headed to pick up Sir Cole, and we're about to have a fun day. So typically on Saturdays, I stay home and kind of clean up the house, grocery shop, prep for everything for the week. Upcoming, like I iron out our clothes for the week. I do a lot of mommy duties, but not a lot of fun things, and mostly because I'm a homebody, but two, because my toddler is in those wonderful twos, and he can be a lot in public. And so, you know, we don't do too many things to where like he has to sit and behave, because he's just not going to. And I don't like the idea of making him act older than what he is. I want him to enjoy and be a 2-year-old. But we're gonna try something different today. So I'm heading to pick him up, and his godmother, my really good friend, my best friend, she invited us out to, like, it's kind of like a farmer's market, but it's like vendors and jumpers and food and stuff. And so that's happening all day. So we're gonna go to that, and then he got invited sort of to go watch the Paw Patrol's movie, but my cousin, her son is the same age. Her son actually will sit at the movies, and she was like, oh, we were gonna invite you, but I'm not sure if you'll sit and watch the movie. My son does not sit, and he's not a movie person, and so I really didn't want to send him with them and then he act up and ruin the movie for them. So we're gonna try it by ourselves later on. So we're gonna go to the farmer's market and do the movies. Of course, we're gonna have to stop for nap time in there somewhere, and then we're gonna try to go out to dinner. We have never gone to dinner by ourselves. Like, we sit at home and eat dinner, but going to a restaurant, we've never gone by ourselves. Like I said, I'm a homebody, but my mom is always with us because we literally do everything together. And so we're gonna try this. We're gonna try these 3 little adventures and have like a mommy and son day/night. Of course, we have to do a few things like wash the car, get a few groceries, but not a lot. So yeah, we're gonna try to have some fun. And we got some of the other stuff we had to do out of the way yesterday, like got his haircut yesterday, as you already saw. And yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog more with him, but when I tell y'all, life is chaotic, but he's so funny and he keeps me laughing. So I want to vlog more so that I could just catch those moments for myself, because sometimes he'll do stuff and I'm like, oh, that was so stinking cute, and I'll try to tell my mom and I have no proof. Like, I can't even explain to her what he did. It was just so stinking cute. It was way hotter than what it was projected to be. I don't know, but I wanted to tell you about the pop-up market. So it's like food trucks and big screen, and it's like an outdoor like lounge area to watch football, and they have like a pop-up market like once a month. And so we went out there and we got a few things, and by we I mean Cole, because I didn't get anything. But there was this like cute little shop that had little tees for little boys. They didn't have like much for little boys, but we got him this cute little coolest pumpkin in the patch, so he can wear this to daycare when they have like their little themed day, their little Halloween party. And then I got him this shirt, I'm the reason we can't have nice things, because he truly is the reason. I don't know, I just like little t-shirts for him. They're just so cute. And then the last one is Mr. Steal Your Snacks, because anytime I have something, he is right there eating it, which most kids are. And then he's back here kicking off his shoes. And then his godmom got him this shirt that said it wasn't me. She's like, he just has to have it. Well, his godmom's mom, his god grandma, she was out there with us, and she was like, he has to have it. And we didn't do much. I didn't vlog much because he was actually asleep. So I just kind of walked around, looked at all the shops. I liked it. There was a lot of like jewelry places out there that I would like to go back and see next time. So next month I'm gonna go again. And we just kind of checked out the food and stuff, taste tested some of the food. They had some really good chips and salsa, like homemade salsa. But anyways, I got me a pink lemonade. Y'all, look how big this is. And it is so good. It's perfect for that heat out there. But yeah, he slept the whole time. He literally slept all the way there, all through all the walking. And then when it was time to go, he finally woke up. So he didn't get to do anything because he was knocked out. He had lunch. We stopped at my mom's house because it's close to the theater. So now we're at the theater. We're going to go see Paw Patrol. I'm hoping he sits through this and that this is not a disaster. But yeah, we're about to see how this goes. I realized how tiring it was to be out with my toddler all day. Like we've been out. We've been out and I'm exhausted. Yeah, see, hold it. Don't pay for their tickets. It's because they don't watch the movie. At least not my 2-year-old. And I don't know why I thought he would sit and watch it, because he likes Paw Patrol. But then I had to remember he doesn't sit and watch it at home. He jumps around, which is what he wanted to do there. And the poor lady next to us, thankfully she had an infant and 2 children of her own, so my kid didn't really bother her much. Oh dear. We're gonna try eating out. I have a feeling our eating out is gonna be eating at home. Ooh, is that fish? No. You see the fish? Ready?
No fire.
Is that scary?
Wow!
You want to record him? Okay, hold it right here. Yeah, right here. Hold it right there. Ready? Y'all, we made it through the day. It is 8 o'clock at night and I'm finally sitting down. I'm about to eat my dinner because we really didn't eat at the restaurant. Well, he did, but I didn't because he wanted to be held the whole time. But let me tell you, so he did actually pretty well at the restaurant. He enjoyed watching them cook the food, and he was so engrossed in each table's like meal prep that he did pretty well, but he would not sit in the high chair. I don't know why. Typically he does. But this couple saw us and they paid for our dinner. So the waiter came over and he was like, "Are you ready to check out?" And I said, "Oh yeah, we can take a to-go box." And he said, "Okay, the couple behind you paid for your meal." And I was like, "Oh my God, that's so sweet." And so when they were leaving, because they were like there for a birthday party, when they were leaving, I said, "Oh, thank you so much." And he said, "Yeah, I wanted to, you look like you had your hands full." And I was like, ooh, if you knew the day that we had. But actually, so I've learned what he can and can't do, kind of outside of the house and outside of being with extra set of hands. And it wasn't that bad, honestly. I kind of had fun with him. He is not a movie theater person yet. He did like watching the people cook the food, and he likes to eat his food. Like, he enjoyed the food, but he's used to sitting at his high chair or his little table at my mom's house. So I don't know. And we have to go out of town this weekend to eat at a similar restaurant, which is why I took him, because I was like, we're gonna practice being good, sitting still, because he does tend to get overstimulated. And I still have all my food, y'all. He gave us so much food. Like, I can't even lift it. Like, hold on. He gave us so much food. I even gave some to my mom, and that's just how much they prepared. So I got this chicken and steak, and it was really good. But yeah, I'm about to eat it now because I'm kind of hungry. But I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. It was just supposed to be kind of a fun adventure with him today, and it definitely was an adventure. I'm looking forward to doing more. You know that we're going into October 1st is tomorrow, so that means we have Halloween, Thanksgiving's coming up, and there is going to be so much stuff to do. So I can't wait to explore with him now that he's older, because last year he was mobile, but he really like wasn't into anything. He didn't want to trick or treat. He wasn't into it. So this year I'm looking forward to doing stuff with him being older. So that's all, guys. We'll see you in the next one.